Elevate your outdoor designs with the Eurofase Infrared Heating Flush Mount Kit, a simple way to turn any Eurofase heater into a recessed architectural feature. This turnkey solution blends seamlessly into ceilings, delivering a clean, minimalistic aesthetic that enhances both elegance and ambiance. It's outdoor rated, CSA certified, and equipped with a fire-rated box for safety you can trust without compromising on style. Available in black, white, and stainless steel finishes, it complements any design palette. Paired with heaters using Eurofase's infrared technology, you're choosing a cost-effective, energy-efficient solution that warms people, not the air, so heat isn't lost to wind or open space. Proudly manufactured in Toronto, Eurofase brings Canadian innovation to every detail. Check the description below for full specifications or connect with a Maxu Agency's consultant today to integrate heat beautifully into your outdoor space.